Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today we're going to take the Leatherman Surge and do a replacement on the 154 cm replaceable cutters. And the reason we're going to do this is because post 2019 Leatherman started putting in a little bit different profiled cutter into their multi-tools and their accessories. So I have purchased a new set of cutters here, and we're going to take my Leatherman Surge and we're going to swap it out and see the differences between the cuts. So to do this, we're going to test it first on 10 gauge stranded wire. So we're going to make the cut first with this one, and then we're going to set that to the side. We can get through there, okay. And this is the result of that cut. And the problem with the Leatherman Surge and a lot of the Leatherman tools in general is that they don't offer either enough relief, and their blades are not quite sharp enough to cut that very cleanly. SOG really has the market cornered when it comes to that. SOG cutters on their larger multi-tools are really the best at wire cutting capabilities. But we're going to see if we can't improve the Leatherman Surge. So let's get this package open and we'll swap them out, see how it performs. So with the cutter insert kit from Leatherman, what you get is you get two new blades or two new cutters plus two new screws that already have some of the Loctite on there, the proper amount of Loctite there to seal them, and the assembly wrench. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap these out. Before we put the new ones in, we're going to compare the two and kind of show you what the differences are. So to do this is pretty easy. Just set the screw there, get it broke loose, and you're able to unscrew that. Really easy process. It does have a little bit of Loctite on it, so I'm going to set that down there. They're not the easiest to get out of there, but we'll get that first one out, and so we can get that screw out, and then we're going to compare the two. So you can see the new one is here on the right, and the old one is on the left. Now the profile itself of the cutters is the same geometric shape, but the cutter is a bit thinner on this right one than it is on the left one. You can see the difference there, and hopefully that's going to improve the cutting capabilities of our Surge. So let's take this one and we'll set it in there, and then we'll get the other side swapped out, and then we'll check them to see how well they perform. Hopefully this will drastically improve our cutting capability. Let me get this one tightened in. I'm going to do the other one off camera, and when we come back, we'll test them out, see how it works. Okay, so now I have the new cutters installed, and here is our first cut from the original cutters. We're going to try to make a new cut now and see if we see any noticeable improvement. So if we'll set that on there, and my goodness, what a difference. So while it's not to the capability of what you're going to get with the SOG models, there is a drastic improvement in the cutting quality. And I could tell you that when I was cutting with the first one, there was a bit of hesitation before it got through there. This one seemed to slice through quite a bit better. So it is definitely a noticeable improvement. Now I'm going to leave links below for the replacement kit, and this is a very easy swap. Took about a minute, maybe 2 minutes, because they're a little cumbersome to get those screws out. Very fast to swap those out though, and you can drastically improve the cutting capability of your Leatherman multi-tool. My name is Ben, and you've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. Hope this video has helped, and I'll see you in the next one.